Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. As always, first thing I do, sit down and moisturize my lips with my lip serum. This serum is available on my website. As always, it just feels so good. A lot of times you use like lip gloss and like chapstick and stuff like that. They don't really penetrate into your lips. They just kind of sit on the surface and like you always feel like your lips are chapped. So get you a lip serum, girl or boy. All right. Next thing is, and I showed you guys in a previous video, I am loving these glycolic acid pads. These feel amazing on my skin. They do tingle a little bit, but it just really penetrates deep into the skin and gets down to the surface of the skin to help exfoliate. And I want to say right off the bat, the first day I used this, like my makeup just looked really smooth on my skin. Like, it felt really good. And again, I don't use these every day just because they penetrate so deep, but I do want to make sure my skin is exfoliated, and these do just that. I do want to share with you guys, some of you guys follow me on Instagram and maybe even TikTok, but I want to share with you guys, I don't know if you guys know, but Walmart has released a creator platform, so you could sign up to be a Walmart creator. Kind of, if you guys remember what I was doing with Macys, modeling the clothes, reviewing products, and you can earn commission from that. So I'm going to be sharing that a little bit more with you guys here on YouTube, on all of my platforms actually. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, LRH Makeup, and TikTok. I'll be posting on my _beauty over 40 handle on TikTok. Next, we are going to go into our serum. You guys know I also love serums. And I do this step every day with my skincare routine. Just a little bit quicker. Because when I do my makeup for work, it literally takes me like 20 minutes. All right, so that's my serum. That was the Peach and Lily serum that I love so much. Peach and Lily. Well, I've just started using that serum, but I love serums generally. Pretty sure you guys are familiar with my favorite. I don't think I have to mention that. And here I'm using the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Moisturizer. If you're someone that just likes a really lightweight moisturizer, this is it. It's really lightweight and gel-like, almost definitely feels water-based. But I like a rich moisturizer, so I'm gonna follow up with my Estee Lauder Resilience Multi-Effect. Plus it has, this moisturizer has a really nice youthful glow to it. You can kind of see it on my skin. It has like a really nice glow. I love the richness of it. Look at that glow. It's really good. Eye cream. Peach Retinoic Eye Cream. Just a dot on both sides. Movement goes a long way. I'm using this Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I've had this for a little while. It came in a BoxyCharm. we love BoxyCharm products, right? And I'm getting to the point, guys, one, that I'm getting more content out for you guys, but for myself as well, because I really enjoy I really enjoy making these videos. That was a little bit much primer. And this gave me even more of a glow. It's the time of year for glowy skin. We're rolling into, you know, we're already in fall, but we're rolling into the winter months. And for me, it's all about glow. I love super glowy skin in the fall and winter months. All right, I'm going into my LA Girl Pro Correcting Concealer. Oops. And I use this around my mouth to help with that shading. Sometimes I use a little bit under my eyes. I'll just show you guys that. I hear my dogs outside my door. All right, and then next, all-time favorite Lancôme concealer, the Camo Concealer. It's a great concealer. Great coverage. Doesn't dry you out, and that's important to me. I'm adding just a dot of my foundation on top of that. You can see that, just to tone the color down a little bit. Jeez, I'm jumping the gun. All right, for foundation, I'm using my Estee Lauder Doublewear 5N2. I did do that backwards. I usually put my foundation on first, but it really doesn't matter because, well, it needs, at least under my eyes, because I don't put foundation there, but I do put foundation here. So and here, it's okay. And around my mouth. And sponge. Contour, I'm using this Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I was sent this in BoxyCharm. Okay. That's the color. Overlap my highlight. Same thing with this side. I don't know if you can see it, but I can just see all that luminous glow through my foundation. You have a nice, healthy looking glow. Your skin just look, and I'm not talking over, I keep looking over here because my monitor is over there. But I'm not saying like just really like oily looking skin, but just nice and glowy. All right, next we're going to set it, and I just have my RCMA powder here. Some people bake, I don't bake. Now the only thing I will do, and I'll show you in a second, is where I crease at. I will put more powder there for it to bake. From there, I go into my eyeshadow, which is really basic. Any transition color, as you can see, I've hit pan. I use this one sometimes as well. It's a little dark. It's a little darker, so I just usually go for this one. And I just put that all over my eye, really nice and quick. Like a lot of my eyeshadow colors, well, a lot of my eyeshadow palettes that have like transition colors in them. Sorry, my monitor is over there. I keep looking over there. They're all like, I'm hitting pan in all of them because this is my everyday look. I use them all the time. And not so much anymore. Like when I worked for MAC, I would do like all kind of crazy looks, going to work, cut creases, glitter. Like it would literally take me 2 hours to get ready to go to MAC. But this is pretty much my everyday look. I love a clean, just really fresh looking look, fresh looking skin, and just really clean looking. And you know, obviously this is a look that goes with everything. 99% of the time, most people, like when they compliment me on my makeup, right, they always compliment me on my skin. Oh, your skin is beautiful. Well, I'm wearing makeup. But as I always say, and I don't want you guys to think that I'm saying, oh, you gotta have high-end skincare to take care of your skin. I don't say that in my videos. What I will say is having a skincare regimen. I think having a skincare regimen, whatever that may be to you, just be consistent with it. I love skincare, and I think we all know that. It's just the whole process of doing everything. It's just like, it's my me time, and it feels really nice to do that, to pamper yourself. From there, it's on to mascara. Again, this is a BoxyCharm item, which is item. It's called item. This is Lash Snack. It is a lengthening mascara. So I just try to get really as close down to the roots as I can. Now my bottom lashes, I really like to take some extra time and just really make those kind of clumpy. I like really clumpy, just stand out bottom lashes. And I've said this before, and I took notice of this at MAC. There's a lot of women that don't even put bottom mascara. Like, you're neglecting your bottom lashes. Like, it just looks, to me now, these are my own words, it looks naked down, like it looks naked. Or even, you know, women would do eyeshadow at the top and none at the bottom. Something's missing, love. Come on now, love. Give your bottom lashes some love. Put some eyeshadow down there and some mascara. And it doesn't take much. I literally put, you know, a couple swipes of transition color. So next is blush. And guys, my favorite, I went out of town this weekend. I don't know how it happened, but probably because I hit pan so much. It's so broken. So I'm gonna have to see if I can find a new one. I've had this one for years. All right, and for the blush, I just kind of go between my highlight and my contour. And for highlight, I'm using Sophia plus Mabel. All right, guys, I need to hurry up, so I'm gonna add some of this highlighter. All right, I'm gonna do my hair real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's my hair. Crushing by Dream Cosmetics. Favorite nude. Absolutely favorite nude. I have a couple of those on deck. Next is jewelry. You guys know I love my jewelry. All right. This is it, guys. This is my makeup look besides my earrings. And I'm actually, in this little part right here, I'm actually gonna make a video for TikTok, so I'll just take you guys along with me. This is just what I do when I'm showing my gauges on TikTok. All right, guys, that is it for my work makeup look. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely drop your comments and questions down below. Thank you guys for joining me on my video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, which I will be posting more, again, you guys, I've just been accepted to the Walmart creator platform, so I will be posting outfits and product reviews. So definitely make sure you follow and engage with me. I love engaging with my audience, so definitely stay tuned for that. So again, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, that's LRHMAKEUP, and also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.